inaugurate the second all-India Workers' Association Badminton Championships. As you know, that India is doing great in badminton, and Assam has also started. We have also started in March 2021. Our so many players has come out in the national scenario. We have seen Smita Salika in the Asian Games teams for the first time for Assam. And we have so many budding players now at their Assam. So I establish the great sincerity to play dedicatedly. We are strong and actually we can go much beyond than what we are doing. We are trying our best to provide a proper atmosphere for badminton. In fact, national badminton will be conducted in Guwahati from we have in February. So all the leading players from across the country will come to Guwahati from we have in February to participate in the nationals. So I think that competition in Karnataka and many district headquarters of Assam will greatly contribute to creating more and more players for our state and for our country. So I would like to thank Karnataka Sports Association for doing this great job. Now we have world-class infrastructure in Difu. Thanks to Sri Surya Mohan and his team, that today Difu Stadium is one of the best stadiums in Assam. We should play continuously, and I am sure that Karnataka will give us very good players in days to come. Sincere thanks to Karnataka Sports Association. I would like to offer my best wishes for the program. With these words, I conclude my speech, and I once again offer my best wishes to all the participants. Thank you very much. Now I would like to request Dimana participants? Sudah lama satu lagi. Saya dulu pemerintah. Dia bilang, jadi jarang.